Next is display of recorded responses will be announced later of the answer key, and the website. This is the website from where you have to. For some exams, you will see that language and domain subjects are there. For some exam, general aptitude. So 3 things will be seen. So this is your exam scheme. So where you will be getting these 3 things in your exam, right? Or if they would be having the aptitude test or not, because language test would be there, but again aptitude test can be there. Or hello students, I Rajni Mamgai welcome you here at Physics Wallah, and today we are going to discuss everything about CUT, so your all doubts will be cleared. And if you're preparing for your JEE NEET, so I would strongly recommend you to go for the CUET also, that is the Common Central University Entrance Test, right? So let's see everything in detail. So your form is out. So online submission of application form has started from 1st March to 22nd March 2025 up to 11:50 p.m. Last date for fee submission is 23 March. Correction window will open for you kids from 24 to 26 March up to 11:50 p.m. Announcement of the city of examination will be announced later, and then again this will be announced later. Date of examination, tentative dates are there, 8th May to 1st June. So why do we have this much dates? Because we know that you are appearing for the different exams in different shifts, so that's why. Next is display of recorded responses will be announced later of the answer key, and the website. This is the website from where you have to fill the form. In case you are stuck anywhere, we are always there, so you can write down comment below the video, right? So declaration of result will be announced later in the website. So if you are in the so you can choose okay, so these category general for CUT exam you can choose up to 3 subjects, and for each additional subject you have to pay some amount. So let's see everything. If you're in the general unreserved category, you have to pay 1,000, and for each subject you have to pay 400 for additional subjects, right? For OBC, NCL, EWS 900 and 375 for each additional subject. Next is SC, ST, PWD, PWBD, third gender, 800 rupees along with 350 each subject. Central outside India, so this is for the NRI. So if you are even in the Gulf countries, so you have to pay this much, 4,500 along with the 1,800 for each additional subject, right? Next, let's go ahead. When we talk about the CUET exam 2025, registration will be online at this website, and exam will be there in 37, total subjects will be 37, 13 language, 23 domain specific subject, and 1 general aptitude test. So this is the format, exam schemes, exam pattern. What is it? So I will show you, right? So 13 languages you can, so 1 is the language, 2nd is the domain subject, specific subject. So suppose you have to choose the BSc zoology, BSc botany, biotechnology, or BSc, this computer science. So we will see that what domain subject you required, or like what subject you have to choose. So you have to go for the exam for those subjects only, right? And general aptitude applicable for only certain subject. We will see that where the general aptitude is applicable, right? And next is languages. So 13 languages are there. You can select any of the languages, right? So for some exams, you will see that language and domain subjects are there. For some exam, general aptitude. So 3 things will be seen. So this is your exam scheme. So where you will be getting these 3 things in your exam, right? And medium will be 13 Indian languages will be there. So your exam will be in 13 Indian language. So these are the 13 Indian languages. And what would be the what would be the language subject? So I have told you, right, what would be the syllabus? So language subject, language to be tested through reading, comprehension based on the different types of passages, factual, narrative, literary aptitude and vocabulary. Domain subject as per NCERT syllabus. So suppose you are choosing BSc zoology, so you would be having exam from the class 12th NCERT. So if you're preparing for the NEET exam, JEE exam, you're already studying class 12, this NCERT, right? So exam will be completely NCERT based. So don't worry at all. You have to refer NCERT for this. And general aptitude test ka, this is the format, right? Next, choice of the test paper. So candidate may choose up to maximum of 5 subjects, including language, general aptitude test, irrespective of the subject opted in class 12th. So doesn't matter if you want to go, if you have done, PCB, or you are from the science stream, you want to go for BA, yes, you can choose it. So up to 5 subject means like first 5 subject including these also. So means 1 is language, 2nd is general aptitude, and 3rd or 3 more subjects you can choose, right? Next, marking scheme, correct answer, you will get 5 marks, and for the wrong answers, you will be getting -1. So yes, negative marking is there. Mode of examination, it would be the CBT, computer based test. So unlike your NEET exam, so in NEET exam, what exactly you do, you go to the center, offline centers, and then you will be getting OMR sheet and you have to fill those circles with the pen, right? But in the CBT mode, you will be getting the centers of, you have to visit the centers, but there you have to appear for the exam online. So it's computer based test, right? Total question, 50 questions for each test papers. All questions are compulsory. You don't have any, this choice. And these are MCQ, objective questions. Duration for each test paper would be 60 minutes, right? And I have told you that multiple shift will be there depending on the number of subject you have chosen, right? Next is, okay, so when you are filling this CUT exam, they will be asking you for the codes. So suppose you have to, these are the subject, these are the language codes. If you are going for the anthropology, if you're going for business studies or going for these subjects, chemistry, environmental science, so you will be using these codes, right? So these are the codes. You have 13 languages and you are having these domain specific subject 23 and 1 general aptitude test. So you can see, and this code is for the general aptitude test. So we will see that in which courses they are asking for general aptitude test, from where you will get. So you just keep in your head, suppose you want to take the admission in specific central universities like my university, Delhi University, so or like BHU or AMU or in these universities. So you will open these university and see if you want to pursue this computer science, then which subject you have to prepare for the entrance exam, or if they would be having the aptitude test or not, because language test would be there. But again, aptitude test can be there or maybe there or may not be there. So let's check. Let me tell you. Let me show you what exactly I'm telling you. So let's see. You will go to this website, inviting online application form, and then if you see this, and then you will see this notice. There they have given you this website of universities. Just open it. You will get all these central universities here. So let's open Central University, where you are getting admission as per CUET marks. And let's choose University of Delhi. Okay, and if you want to go for BA Arabics, so for BA Arabics, which subject you require? For language, domain, subject, kindly refer to the list A. So my dear lovely students, this is the list A. So you can choose any of the language and list B. So any one language from the list A you have to choose for the BA Arabics, and any 3 subject from the list B. So you can choose any 3 subject from this list B. And third is the general aptitude, but here general aptitude is not required. Suppose you want to go for which exam? BSc Zoology. Let's suppose you want to go for BSc Zoology. So let's see the criteria. You will get all the courses in the Delhi University. Okay, so suppose you want to go for BSc, where is the zoology? Okay, botany. Let's say you are choosing botany. So for that, what exactly you need? Physics, chemistry, biology, and you are studying it for your NEET exam also. Merit will be based, and plus you require one language. Okay, so PCB. Okay, so these 3 subjects, and merit will be CUT score from the above mentioned combination of the subject. Candidate must appear in any one language from the list A CUT. So you have to choose language and you have to choose these 3 subjects, right? So kids, yes, for the botany, if you are having these 3 subjects, you will be getting exam from PCB only, and obviously your language, you have to choose one language from the list A. So this is the list A. You can choose any of the languages. That's all. And if you want to go for the chemistry, then you require PCM and obviously one language subject. You don't require general aptitude here. So where exactly general aptitude is needed? So you can check any courses that you want to do if they have mentioned the general aptitude. Here you don't need general aptitude, right? So kids, in this way, you will be getting all the information central university wise. So I've told you where exactly you would get all these things. So these are the central university. Even we have deemed university in it, right? So this is like Banaras Hindu University, Central Sanskrit University, kind of that. What else you needed when you are filling the form? So they will ask you these document, passport size photograph in the JPG, JPEG format, 10 KB to 200 KB. Signature, 10 KB to 50 KB, JPG, JPEG format, PWD, PWBD certificate in PDF form, and the size should be this. That's all. In case you feel stuck in any of these steps, you can write down in the comment box, and we are always there. All the best.